welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today I just have a super short, quick video. I have been making covers for my little traveling notebooks, and I was like, okay, well, there's got to be a way that I could foil on them, but I was worried because of the lamination, you know, remelting the glue, but it is totally 100% possible. So I'm going to show you today. I have this cover here, and I kind of wish that I would have waited because it's pretty long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this plate from Spellbinders, and I'll put the name in the description box. But I found this worked really well with the length of it. So I'm just going to do the covers like this. So I am going to grab... Oh, here we go. Deco foil transfer sheets. This is Prince Periwinkle. So I'm just going to go, actually, you know what? Hold that thought. I'm going to grab another foil. Okay, so I grabbed Tangerine just to make it a, you know, decent contrast between this sky scene and the plate. So I'm going to go ahead and just measure it out, and I will make a little slit and then I'll tear it once I figure out which way. There we go. So I mean, if I waste it, I don't know, it's hard to measure sometimes. I don't have the little Spellbinders plate or little Spellbinders cutter to cut the foil, but literally ripping it works just fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my plate down. I'm going to lay my foil pretty side down. And trust me, this is trial and error because you know how many times I've foiled my plates? So, oh, I made it the wrong way. Okay, I'm just going to turn it because I put it the wrong way. Fix my foil here, and it's okay that it's not going end to end because I literally just want this piece here. So I'm going to lay this down, and I've already had it preheating, so I'm going to press the timer button. I'm going to add my 2 plates that came with the machine and just wait for it to go. I was so happy when I found out that I could, you know, when I played with it a little bit, because I think it just adds a nice little detail to my laminated covers for my traveler journals or traveler's notebooks. So once this little light, which I don't know if you guys can see, let me see if I can move some stuff around here. Once the little flashing light stops, then I'm going to run it through my Platinum 6, and I'm going to do that in like real time, so that way you guys can see that it literally does not take that long, maybe 2 minutes to do. But yeah, I was super happy when I just went ahead and just played with it. So don't be afraid to like play with your materials and try different things, because if I wouldn't have tried it, I would have never known. So that's why I wanted to make this quick video so you guys could see. So the timer button's off, so I'm going to turn this very carefully, and I'm going to hold this down and pull it away from my panel. It's usually not this hard to pull, but I'm trying to be super careful not to move my plate. Oh, and I moved my plate. It's okay. So you just pick it up and put it back, because nothing really happens until you put pressure on it. As in, you put it through your die machine. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to step over to the side. Plug her back in. We're going to remove the foil. So yeah, I mean, if I wouldn't have moved it or slid it, it would have been a lot better, because the way it slid, it actually slid the plate. But I have tons of these covers, and it's okay. So yeah, there it is, guys. So yeah, try your foiling with your laminating sheets. Works great.